I always wanted to do the two colors together. Looking really good. I like it so much so far. Dip in another beads. I do the first bead for all beginners. Do not afraid of to do ombre. Get the first bead, do it right where is all that the first yellow is, and blend it out when your powder is still wet, and then go and pick up another bead to perfect your cuticles. And then you can cap this between the pink and hope everyone have a great Friday. Can't wait to announce the winner of last night's like a little minis giveaway. I'm gonna cap it right between the pink and yellows. So then that way when I buff them or fire them with the client's nails, it would not take away from my ombre. And we'll let it set. We have a lot of customer clients, nail tech will request for this like a male back nail again. And this time we're showing it more so it's not blending in like last time. So here you go, you request for it. Make sure you keep on underneath of the client's nails. It's nice and clean. Great, so let it dry. And that one is done. Great, let me clean this away. Can you put this one away? Let me clean my brush really nicely. This one. Okay. Wipe off my brush, clean it really nice so then it won't get any of extra powder. This one. Dare to Dazzle, hello, how are you? Hi GC. Take this one away. Like that. Hey Alexandra. I'm gonna buff this one. In the meantime, we're waiting for the other this other nails is dry. I did use these two beautiful colors from Chisels, which is Chisels will be a really generous sponsor for our class when you're taking master pass, which is 3-day class. The first day with liquid gunpowder, second day crystals, liquid gunpowder, dipping powders, shapes, structures. Place a tip that if you have a client who have really crooked nails and crooked fingers from just the bone, I have that nails like it happen always challenge me too. So how you can able to place the tips properly without like having a trouble or struggling from placing them, but then they're always crooked. That will be in the class as well. And also we're gonna learn everything about dipping from basic to advanced. And the second days will be crystal placements and all the nail art, everything about nail art from fusionings, encapsulating, 4D gels, gel painting, and combination of crystal nail art and all the art together. I'm so excited, and our classes start filling up really fast. So it's gonna be in Ann Arbor, March 28, 29, and 30th. And then the Thursday will be ours. Amazing is Master Brand Ambassador Training. So if you love what you're doing and you want to take your business, your career to the next level, and you want to help more nail technician to be successful, so then you can be more successful, please join our team, because we do need a lot of more master brand ambassador to working with us with all different classes in your state, and also travel with us to doing all the different trade shows to meet new people and connecting with new people. I'm so excited. I'm so thrilled. Okay, that nails, I just buff it good. Imagine it's gonna be right on the client's nails. It's gonna be so stunning. So when you hear this sound, it means it's ready for you to shape it. Oh my god, I can't wait for this nail to be done. Next set on my nails, I want to do that fruit nails and milk bath nail. I know it's off from focus. I take it out because I'm buffing it outside here. And I'll show you the final looks for the top coat. Let's put the top coat on, so then we can move on to cute placements. No white top coat. I think I have a new no white top coat there. Ready? So let's top coat this one. This is so stunning. I can't wait to see this one, a final look for this. I like that because the glitter underneath is so stunning. It's different from what last time we did. Great. In the lamp for about 60 seconds. And then here is our milk bath nails. So this one is like, it looks really saddle looks. It looks so nice. But if you want to do a brighter for the milk bath, you're more than welcome, because there's so many different colors. I'm so excited. Great. Let's